Right, continue. Admin and copy generated password. Excellent, we're in. Okay. So that's what it looks like straight off the bat. Now then, the plugin setup is next. Okay, we've done all that. Yeah, Piwik Analytics WordPress plugin is the first thing I'll demonstrate. So plugins, add new, search for Piwik, Piwik Analytics plugin, install now, activate, configuration page, site ID. Now I'll show you this. This was in the code, and its location in the code is here. It's this number here, site ID number 1 for your first site. Host name of the Piwik server. In that case is the domain, including the subdomain, and there's the base URL. Now I'll leave that blank, but update settings. That should be all that needs to be done. So if I log out and then access the site, we should now see Piwik within the source code. Piwik plugin active. And all of that stuff should mean that Piwik is now tracking the site. It comes in just before the ultimate Google Analytics stuff. So what I'm going to do now is just see if we manage to. Oh, it was shop.thirdcoach.net. I'll see if it's recorded a hit. Aha! 1 hit, excellent. Next thing we want to do is to set up goals. And we have to enable a plugin to do that. So activate the goals plugin. And go back to the dashboard. Then goals, add a new goal. It's a similar process to that of Google Analytics. I suggest you use contains on this occasion. It's going to be /downloads/ and goal default value. As with Google Analytics, I just leave that blank and I add the goal. As I said with Google Analytics, have a play with it, have a look around. There are other plugins that you can enable. I'll just briefly show you. If I can remember the URL for it, one of my active pweek accounts. Okay, I was already logged in, and this is for one of, I've got a few sites set up here. There's my e-commerce. So not pweek, that's a different one. But, you can see some keywords that have driven people to my blog. If I click through to one, it'll tell me that it used the Google search engine. I don't think I've got it. I have got a goal set up here. And I have got some conversions. So I can look at some conversion data. I can look and see if anyone has purchased my product having entered a keyword into a search engine. In this case, they haven't. But I can see there's several goals. It's not really showing a very good view of what you can do with analytics, but I'm out of time, unfortunately. Okay, now that's one of the two ways of doing it. Right. The other thing I was going to show you is how you can grab this code and enter it directly into your theme, just in case you find that you get problems with the pweek Analytics plugin. So I've copied that code. I'll go back to the admin panel. And I'm going to go into, first of all, disable the plugin, because I don't want it interfering. So deactivate pweek Analytics. And this same procedure can be applied for Google Analytics as well, if you prefer. So going to the theme editor, we're looking for the footer, footer.php. We're looking for this /body tag, and we paste the code in there. And then we click on update file, and we're done. Right, the remaining thing, I've shown you how to do all that now. The remaining thing is this week's challenge. Now, about the challenges, nobody took me up on the last one. If I go into the members area,